So I'm going to do a couple problems from the study guide. I mean, not the study guide, but the independent practice for 4.5. And then I'm going to do a couple problems from the study guide also. Okay, so this needs to be in the form of, before we find the focus and directrix and the vertex and axis of symmetry. What was that? Oh, that was Kiri, raising the blinds. Also, they're taking apart a pomegranate downstairs, and so if you hear any kind of like loud banging, it's them trying to take apart a fruit. Okay, so it needs to be in the form of x minus h equals a, and then y minus k squared. It's not in that. We have a negative 3 here just hanging out. So what do we do with that negative 3? We move it to the other side. So we end up with x plus 3 equals 5, 6, y minus 1 squared. Now it's in that form. We can identify all the variables. Yay, yay. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the vertex. The vertex is negative 3, 1, because we have to change the signs on both the h and the k for horizontal parabola. Okay, and then we have to, what did I make you do? Let me say, oh, the direction of the opening. Now we notice that A equals 5, 6, so it's going to open to the right. Right, right. Now the axis of symmetry is now no longer a vertical line, it's a horizontal line, because it's going to open like this. It's going to look like that. It's a horizontal line. So it's going to be y equals, what's the y value? Y equals 1. Y equals 1. And then let's go ahead and find the focus. The focus is h plus 1 over 4a comma k for a horizontal opening parabola. And so h is negative 3 plus 1 over 4. A was 5, 6, comma k was 1. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify that. Negative 3 plus 1 over, what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 6, comma 1. Okay, now we have a complex fraction right here. So how do we take care of that? Let's go ahead and rewrite it. Negative 3. So it's 1 over 20 over 6. So if you do it my way, you just multiply the top. Now it becomes the numerator. Multiply the insides. It becomes the denominator. Or if you want to do it the long way, it would be 1 divided by 20 over 6. And then we take the reciprocal. Either way, get the same answer. And then we can reduce this. Becomes negative 3 plus. They're both divisible by 2, so it's 3 over 10. Come on. So we end up with negative 2, and then 7 tenths, comma 1, or negative 27 over 10, comma 1. That's our focus. Okay, now what's our directrix? Uh-oh, we're running out of room. Directrix is going to be x equals, okay, so here's our parabola. Okay, here's the axis of symmetry. Okay, now the focus is going to be in here, right? The directrix is going to be somewhere here, and the directrix is a vertical line. Okay, so x equals, what's that? Oh, h minus 1 over 4a. Okay, uh-oh, what was a? A was 5, 6. So x equals negative 3 minus 1 over 4 times 5 sixths. So x equals negative 3. Do that again. 1 over, was it 20 over 6? So x equals negative 3 minus 6 over 20. So x equals negative 3, 6 over 20. And x equals negative 3, 3 over 10. Or x equals negative 33 over 10. Okay? And that right there is my directrix. Okay? So I have all of the answers that I need. Yay!